Today's adventure takes us to the small town of Atlanta, Illinois, because we are at the Mother Road, Route 66. Let's take a walk around and look at the small town of Atlanta. The mural on the wall, Judy and Sons Grocers, represents small town America. Mattingly Automotives has, looks like a dog magic right here. Holding a tire, wanting to know that you can repair, wanting people to know that they repair tires, and much more here at this automotive shop. The Route 66 Museum Arcade is along this corner up here, so let's see what we can find. Oh, over in the distance you got the water tower, which has a smiley face. The Walmart smiley face is on this water tower in Atlanta.
Never mind. That was quick.
Before I could even get the camera up, the train was gone. That was one fast train.
Amtrak.
What's this? Oh yeah. A Muffler Man holding a Weiner ahead. We gotta check that out. Would you look at the size of that Muffler Man's Weiner? It is gargantuan. Look at this. He looks happy too. Let's go check him out a little bit better. Right now, we are across the street, but we gotta check this out. Well, here we go. A little bit about the Bunyan statue that became Muffler Man. We took a picture, so hopefully, see if we can get this. There's other giants in this area too. The Gemini Giant and the Lauderback Tire Man. Look at the size of that man's wiener. All the way down to here. Very impressive indeed. He puts a smile on my face. Let's look at some of the other murals on the wall. From Palm's Grill Cafe all the way down shows a map from LA all the way to Chicago. We have hit this road a couple of times, but now we're getting our kicks on Route 66 this way. Let's take a look at some of the other buildings across the street from in this Atlanta section.
Have lights on him at nighttime.
They do have lights on him at nighttime. Awesome. Well, Muffler Man, I hope you enjoy your wiener. We will see you later. Little Route 66 action. Everybody loves Route 66. People from all over the world come to see this Mother Road, see the legend, and also to see Muffler Men. Route 66 was also part of a main hub to get from place to place for corn. Look at this museum. Here's what we're talking about in the old Mother Road. Little museum to come in and take a glance at all of the history, all of everything that makes Route 66 nice. Even this guy. Look at this. Oh my goodness. They had to cover up the horse head. Very nice. This guy's just playing a piano right there, serenading this young lady. Could be his future wife. Over here is, that's what, well, look at this old lady here. She's just trying to serve up some donuts, but she spilled her drink. She spilled your drink. Well, you still got a donut. Why do you want another? Why do you want to be this way? We've had some great memories on Route 66 over the years. We're just trying to add to it just a little bit. We've never been to this store museum before, but there's things you can check out from all over. Look at this. Look at how pristine this vehicle is. Look, and there he is right behind us, where we're going to see. Look, it's James Dean. Are you a rebel without a cause? Or are you a giant? Well, right here's Wilbur. Hey, Wilbur, you're a little too young. I don't understand that you painting your face up a little bit there to get a beard, but very nice museums. Museums like this are all over on Route 66. You just need to stop by and buy a little something to help these places out, because I tell you what, these mom and pop stores like this is a relic of the past. We don't have these anywhere around our home, so anytime we get a thing to do, we gotta stop at these as much as possible, because we're like vagabonds on the open road. Who's this supposed to be? Elvis? I don't know. Bicycles that you could ride back in the day on the old Route 66. Dave is here, fashionably waiting for a haircut. Right there he is, for $3.99. You could sit right there, or $3. I'm sorry. And Dennis is dapper as always, just waiting for to get his shoe shine. Look at that. Yes, the cigar smoking Indian. These relics of the past. I would love to get my hand on one of these. I have been looking all over for the past few years for one of these. One day I will find one in an antique store. I mean, there is so much old goodness here. And there's Cecil. Can't see Cecil that well. He's look at all this. Let's go inside the Atlanta, Illinois Park. Look at this. Nice little park with a mural on the wall over there of the mighty town of Atlanta. As you can tell, walking down memory lane, you can see some of the things they put in this park. The public school stone. Right there. We are midway on Illinois' Mother Road. I bet at one time there was a mural on the wall over there, but it has been erased. A little bit about the history of Atlanta here. There's a drinking fountain. Is there a history about the drinking fountain that we should be aware of? Very small town America. Americana. Route 66. See if I can get any of these birds going in and out of these houses here. Take a look at some of these buildings. I have no idea what they are for, but I think they are cool to look at. A little bit of this old town of Atlanta. Look at him run or hop.
You don't like the camera when it snapped.
I'm sure he doesn't. He's not used to stranger danger.